Greetings. In this video, I want to talk about the knob for the clock for my C3 1978 Silver Anniversary Corvette. And so I'm rebuilding the center console, and I need to get the radio in, obviously, but it's never had its knob, and I've seen other Corvettes where they never have this knob, and now that everything else is looking new and looking good, this really stands out. And so for $15, I bought this so I can put a knob so I can have this no knob nonsense taken care of. And so it's just a, let's see, there's threads on there, and the camera may or may not be able to pick it up, and this shaft has a screw head on one end and it's threaded inside there, and that thread's on there. But first it goes through this, and there's a slight head on that grabs that. So I will show that here. Okay, so I just wanted to show the audience, and I'm doing this looking through my camera, so I apologize. Look at the back of my hand so much. Okay, so see how that just fits on there? And it threads on there, okay? But first, we have to put the knob on. And I'm sorry for my dog making noise in the background. Sometimes I include my dogs in the videos, and I think he's a little upset that I haven't included him yet. So, okay, so there's that. And there's that. And let me see here. There we go. Okay, so basically that's it. It does pull up. Sorry to show the back of my hand. Pull up. Okay. And I can set the time. Let me see if I can show that. Okay, so now if I pull up on the knob and turn it, I can set the time. Okay. And then let it retract back down. Okay. So that's what's going on with this. And just the clock does work and everything. I obviously don't have it hooked up in my car, but I just wanted to show lifting up on that knob and then let go, and it goes back down. And that's how it works, and that's how it installs, and that looks so much more gooder. Okay, so thanks for watching, and this little guy wanted to be in the film. Oh, and he's reminded me, I found this online on eBay for $15. There's the information. I'm not being promoted by those people. I'm just saying there's what it is. And hi, buddy. He wanted to be in the video. All right, you can be in the video. There you go. Thanks for watching. And as soon as my new dashboard comes in, I'll make the video of installing that. Have a great day.